just going to do some more cooking today. We're going to do a pasta dish, but it's going to be a veggie pasta dish with cauliflower and broccoli, believe it or not. So anyway, see how we go. First I'm just going to prepare the cauliflower. Cut up a bit of that. Small pieces, or smallish. Remember, it's going to go into a pasta, so I want it to be to fit in with that sort of pasta, small style. Going to get the water on, and then get that cauliflower in the pot. Give it a boil. Yeah, we can throw some broccoli in there as well. I don't mind using up the stem, just throw it in like that. It's all good. And we'll do the same thing that we did with the cauliflower, with the broccoli, just sort of chop it up roughly to begin with, and then sort of cut it down finer. Remember, it's going in the pasta, so I want it fairly small so that it'll go with the pasta. And this is going to go in the pot with cauliflower. All those little bits. So in a separate bowl, I'm just going to make the sauce. So I think I'm going to put 4 eggs in there, and then some cream, and some Grand Pandano, and some aioli, and some grated cheese. So that's our sauce. Just stir it up, give it a stir, and that's going to go with the, I'm going to put some salt and pepper in that, but yeah, that's going to go in with the pasta. Okay, so we're just going to throw in some mixed herbs in there as well, just to make that authentic flavour go, and stir that in. There we go.
Still dripping.
Okay, so we've got a really good boil going on there, and there's the pasta one. It's nearly ready to boil. We'll put some in a sec. Using red lentil pasta. It's a little bit healthier, I think. It's got lentils in it, and it's not so many carbohydrates. I use about half the packet. Okay, I'm just going to try this and see if it's ready. It's been on for about 10 minutes, and it's ready to go. I'm dumping the veggies back in the pot. Then I'm going to add the sauce and stir it in. Give it a good stir. Want that sauce to mix with the veggies. Nice and cheesy. Give it another stir. You can see it's nice and saucy and cheesy. You can see, like, you can throw a few eggs in, but they're sort of cooked. That's how it works with some of these creamy pastas. Now the pasta's ready. I've just checked that, and I'm going to throw it in the dish and give that a good stir. And we're nearly ready to serve. What I'm going to do when I get the plate, I will grab a bit more parmesan and throw it on the top, maybe a little bit of grated cheese as well, and that'll be the dish. Okay, so we're getting the pasta on the plate now, serving up for lunch. You can see the bits of pasta and sauce. We're going to throw some cheese on the top. and some Gran Panano, and ready to serve.